Have you ever wondered how your eyes stay clear and protected? In this video, we'll see how nature created this invisible shield to protect our eyes. Let's take a closer look. Grab your phone, go to a window, record your eyes close up and blink a few times. Do you see that? Okay, let's slow things down. Now, do you see something moving up right after you open your eyes? That is the invisible shield that's protecting our eyes. It is the tear film that clears dust, fights germs, lubricates and nourishes our eyes. The amazing thing is, tear film is not just one layer but a combination of three different layers. But why three layers? Nature has created these three layers to overcome three different problems. Your cornea, the clear outer layer of your eye, is like your car's windshield. It needs to stay clean for clear vision. But every day it constantly faces dust, wind, and all kinds of stuff. So there should be a way to clean the surface of the cornea. The solution? Tears. Nature has created a special gland called lacrimal gland which produces tears, and these tears are released in between the eye and the eyelid. With every blink, just like the wipers cleaning the windshield, the tears clean the surface of the eye. But here is where it gets tricky. The cornea is hydrophobic, which means water doesn't stay on the cornea, just like the lotus leaf. But you need the tears to spread evenly across the eye for clear vision. How does tears, which are mostly water, spread over a surface that hates water? The answer is mucin. Lining the white part of our eye is a thin layer called conjunctiva. This contains special cells called goblet cells which produce mucin. This mucin is a gel-like substance. It coats the eye and helps the tears in spreading over the water-repelling cornea. Now comes the third problem. This layer of tears is super thin and the water evaporates super fast. But we want them to last at least until the next blink. How can the tears be prevented from evaporation? Nature's answer is oil. When you put oil over a puddle of water, it prevents the water from evaporating. And it does the same for tears. Nature has created tiny glands called meibomian glands inside the lids. These glands release oil with every blink and form a protective top layer. This top layer of oil prevents the tears from evaporation. That's how the three-layered invisible eye shield is protecting our eyes. So next time you blink, appreciate it. An amazing bit of hidden engineering is keeping our vision crystal clear. How we disrupt this delicate system with screens, habits and environments, well, that's a different story. Do you remember the tiny glands in the lids that produce oil? A problem in these meibomian glands is called meibomian gland dysfunction or MGD and is responsible for most of the dry eye cases. So in the next video, we'll learn about these hidden soldiers. And if you are interested in knowing what exactly is dry eye and different types of tears, watch the previous videos in the series. Thanks for watching.